Hello everyone! In this video, we will walk you through a screen-recorded tutorial on how to add a website or project to your Amrut.ai dashboard. Let's get started.
In this video, we are going to learn how to add a website. You can do a deep analysis on that website or the company that you want to look for. So what we want to go, I have already logged in and I want to go to the dashboard. When you go to the dashboard, these are the websites. You can see website as a website or a project or something like that. Let's say I want to add a website. There's a website called Zoox is there, Waymo.com, right? So I'll go to https://waymo.com. I'll call this website Waymo, and I'll say submit. So Waymo is submitted over here, and I want to see the SEO file or analyze. Like I don't think I've well, I have analyzed Waymo.com. So if I come over here to Waymo, I can see the Waymo SEO analysis, as well as the company profile, LLMS, and all this other stuff. So this is how you can actually add websites on your dashboard for Amrut.ai. Thank you for watching.